sat in on plenty of seminars when you can get great insight, but there's always that time during even an interesting conversation where you think, I'd like to ask this question. Essentially, I've come in as pretty much a blank page, an open book. I'm keen to learn, keen to see what other people are doing, and this is the opportunity to do that.
The round table that we've incorporated today gives again some open, engaging dialogue. We're working with people who've had different experiences, people who have different challenges and different risks.
I think it's a really good way of doing an event actually, because you are involving all of the participants as well. So they're not just sitting and listening to speeches and conversations, and they are getting to actually talk about things that are of interest to them as well.